Today we are diving into artificial intelligence. But don't let that word scare you. Most people are scared of that word. They feel like, oh my gosh, and they're watching Megan 2.0. They might be a little intimidated. So today our goal here on the Hood to Hood podcast is always about elevating and taking us to the next level as a tribe. All right? And I feel like this is where, technology has already gone. But we don't need to be behind. We need to stay ahead and not try to catch up. So today we're going to dive into that and see what you know, see what I can add to your toolkit for AI, and to see if it's something you can let me know, hey Doc, you ain't mentioned this one. So it's about us growing, just chilling. So grab you a coffee, get you a sip of water, come hang out with the doc. If it's your first time here, I'm Dr. Cheapest Sunflower, aka Dr. Shon, Dr. Cheapest Sunflower, and I'm the motivational dentist. We're going to ignite your day with some good stuff to carry you, to help you stay motivated and going to the next level. Because we always need to be moving where? To the next level. Because we're not a tree. We don't stay stagnant. We don't stay just stuck in comfort too long. And we don't stay in our excuses. Now, I talk about coming from hood to hood because I came from poverty, from the hood, and I made an effort to not allow that to be an excuse for me not to live my best life. All right? So if you're here in the room, you are meant to be here. It is alignment over accident. So welcome to the tribe. Don't be shy. Drop your questions in the chat. Alrighty. So today we're diving into that. Artificial intelligence. Don't let it scare you. Think of it as your digital assistant that never sleeps. If you learn how to use it, you're ahead. If you ignore it, you're going to get left behind, guys. So don't get left behind. We're going to make this easy. Because I like things easy. It's like when I first got on TikTok. I mean, not TikTok, but Twitch. It can be very intimidating, which is why a lot of people don't use Twitch, because it's a huge learning curve. It's not like other apps where you can just get on it and it's easy. You got to really kind of know a little bit, a tiny bit, if you want to do more engaging activities. So it's the same way with AI for me. And we're going to make this so easy today. AI isn't the future, it's the now. If you don't learn how to use it, you're already behind. That's something I want you to write down and think about as you go on and you carry out your everyday tasks. Because some way technology can help you. Don't be afraid of technology. My ancestors created the internet. So we the one who created the internet. We can't be afraid of something we created. It's technology. We're going to talk about how you can use AI for personal growth. We're going to go in part 2 as well for the dentists out there, the pre-dental students, so you can be ahead of the curve. You're probably already learning this in dental school, but in dental school they like to do things old-fashioned, at least teach you the old-fashioned way before they bring all the AI in it. They're going to teach you the old-fashioned, the real way to do it, which is always the best way to do it. I can remember when before I became a dentist, before I even got into Florida State, or maybe while I was at Florida State University studying for my bachelor's, I took this class because I didn't know what I wanted to do. I took this class because I thought maybe I wanted to go into like the nursing field. So there was this class that taught us how to take blood pressure manually. Now that class helped me even till this day to take my blood pressure manually as a doctor. So it's all about the things that you learn to help you grow. So don't be afraid of learning things. But AI is here to change the game. All right? So those are the 3 things we will focus on today. AI for personal growth. So the first one we're going to talk about is, of course, my home girl, maybe your home boy, ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT changes the game. I use it actually like my own personal assistant. I be like, ChatGPT, do this, make this thing. Help me edit. ChatGPT is the homie. I know that sounds crazy, but turn a boring article into 3 bullets, or even ask it to write affirmations in your voice. You can do whatever you want in ChatGPT. Help you elevate your social media game. But that's mostly for business. But for personal growth, it can help you, shorten your task. I love ChatGPT. Does anybody, if you use ChatGPT, tap the hearts, drop a comment, let me know, because I know a lot of us do, but some of you may not. But I'm telling you, just at least start there. For business owners, dentists, anybody, that's the first place to start. If you are writing, I don't know, it just does spell check for you, help you be more creative in your tasks, and makes them so much easier, especially with setting goals. Like, hey, I have this goal, what tools do I need? Or I want to get this skill, what tools do I need? So you can use it for your everyday life to help you do so much. So ChatGPT, that's number one. Number two is a new tool that I found out about, and they say it's replacing Google. Now, I don't know if y'all heard about this new tool, but it's called Perplexity AI. And I did download it. I'm still getting used to it because I'm so hooked on Google. But Perplexity AI shortens all the reading that you do on Google. You know how Google now, they have Google AI. I don't know if that's really what it's called, but it will summarize what you search for. So Perplexity AI, their technology basically already does this, and it's supposed to be really good. It's Google with receipts. It gives you sources for everything. So if you're like me, if you a nerd, or if you not a nerd and you just want to you just like Googling shit, like me, I'm always thinking and trying to plan and elevate and grow. So Perplexity AI is that Google of the now that the youth are using. So check that out, download it, and see if it can replace Google. We're going to revisit this AI topic once we introduce this to see if you guys are using it and maybe find other topics. Perplexity AI, that's number two. Number three is going to be Notion AI. So this is for organizing your life, your tasks, your journal, your goals. So you see how ChatGPT is a tool that you can use to help you get your goals in order, because it really helps me like organize my goals for life. As a dentist, I'm so multifaceted that I want to do too much sometimes. So it helps me be like, hey, Dr. Shon, you already did enough. Calm the fuck down. Chill out. You did enough for today. It just had me like ready to go. Like, oh man, this is such a big help to have you a little personal assistant. So Google is your, not Google, ChatGPT is your first personal assistant. I am telling you. Perplexity AI is your research assistant. I'm talking about AI for personal growth now. Notion is going to help you keep these things that you discover organized. Now, I'm not in dental school anymore, but once I was in dental school, it was just paperwork. You got to stay organized on paper. Now, it's not like that. Even in, in any school, I had to stay organized on paper, but now it's AI. In dental school, they really didn't allow you to have tablets and computers. The professors, for some reason, they grew up back in the day, and they wanted to keep it old school. And I'm like, but now I'm sure they allow it more towards the end of my dental school matriculation. They started to allow it, but times change, and they are changing so rapidly. So you gotta stay caught up. You hear me? Stay caught up. Don't get behind. At least download one of these personal apps today. Just download it and look at it. That's the first step. Don't download it. YouTube University is going to be where you go to learn how to use it, to get more skills. So download one of them and research it. Just use it. ChatGPT is the easiest one. Get it. Ask it a question. Hey, I want to do this in the next 12 months. How can I do it? Just ask it something simple. Just recently, I had ChatGPT help me come up with a plan for me to start creating dental grills, gold grills, diamond grills, because I want to start offering this. And it just helped me come up with the list of supplies I needed, the training that I needed, when I should start, it just helped you like that. So it's like, oh, well, that was easy, because if I wouldn't have done that, I'd have had to go and research this stuff myself. I could have used Perplexity AI also. But now you have a little plan. Number 4 is Quizlet AI flashcards. Now this is a game changer for the students out there. If you're a student, Quizlet AI flashcards, or if you're studying for anything, eventually I want to start offering master classes, and this could be a way for you to study for the test, even though it's not real test. But if you really in school, this is a great way for you to study. It can break down your notes into flashcards without all the extra work. I mean, we used to spend hours creating flashcards sometimes in school. Or you had to buy the flashcards pre-made, but it's amazing for dental CE, for dental boards, for any kind of boards test, and even learning a new language. Quizlet AI flashcards. So for example, my TikTokers, and you know, for my tribe worldwide, Quizlet AI, if you want to go to a new country and you want to learn the language, why not use this while you're on the plane to help you learn the words, you know, remember it. If you're studying for any type of test, check out Quizlet AI. Or if you want to learn a new language, check out Quizlet AI, Quizlet flashcards. All right. So that's 4, and we're going to go into our last AI tool, which is AI wellness apps. AI wellness apps such as Calm AI. I use this at night to help me calculate my sleep, to get better sleep. So if you are using ChatGPT and it says, hey, to get to your plan, you're going to need to drink more water, get more sleep, you can come up with a plan for you to reach your goals or to get healthier. Calm AI helps me say, hey, it's bedtime. This is how much sleep you got. Or you were snoring, or, you know, it kind of could calculate that for you if you wear your Apple Watch or any type of smartwatch, which they have on the TikTok shop. Smartwatches that can help you. But you download this app and it helps you get more sleep, track your sleep. Another one is Headspace AI to help you meditate and focus. These are wellness apps that can drive you for personal growth. And I'm sure there are so many more wellness AI apps to help you grow and meditate and focus. Instead of strolling at midnight, imagine asking AI to plan your morning routine for success. That's how you get discipline and sleep. Our personal assistant now, because we're doing personal growth and we're using AI to get there. So don't stroll, ask it to plan your morning and help you get disciplined so you can get more sleep. And the app for the sleep, AI isn't here to replace your grind, it's here to organize your mind. And that's exactly what it helps me do, organize my mind. Even as far as my personal growth with being a streamer, it said, Dr. Shon, like, hold on, your days are so busy you can't do everything. You have to prioritize in a certain way. For instance, I have 9 piles of paperwork that I have to clear, right? It said, hey, don't just do piece by piece, organize the piles. I'm like, duh. It helps in that manner in organizing your life, organizing your tasks, and helping you achieve that personal growth.